July the 11th. We're on a trip.
Babe.
2:57
Babe.
p.m. Hi, Michael. We're in Thistle Farm. Ooh, produce. Ooh, they have cherries. Yellow. Green beans. Blueberries. There's cheese. Cookies. Please pay for cookies before eating. What's this? Pie. There's the farm. Herbs or herbs?
Herb.
As they say in Australia. Let's try the cranberry. Oh, it's so soft. Mmm. Macadamia. Mmm. The macadamia is good.
It's a bit crunchy.
Oh. Lone Pine Farms. Mama, did you like the cookie? Veggies. We have food. Yogurt raisin. What? Yellow raspberries. Goat
They
meat.
have goats here.
Not for human consumption. I wonder if anyone eats that. What's this?
Oh, you mine for them.
You mine for them?
Oh, babe, can we do it?
Oh my god.
Can we do it, babe?
Select a bag of mine. Where? Oh, no, that's ash.
Ew!
We just put our hands in the trash. Mama, give me. Is there goats? Is that goats?
Yeah. I don't like goat meat.
Mama, it's not for you to eat them. You're going to feed them. You're not going to eat them. Mama!
I want to eat.
No! You can get food from in there.
Do you have 50 cents?
Me? I have 50 cents. Oh, look at that goat.
Oh, you only... Ew, it looks like food.
Oh wait, how do... Mama, I need another hand. Hold on to that. There's another one there. Wait, I'm losing.
Try to give to everyone.
Yeah. Oh, film them.
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, no, don't touch it.
They love to lick. One licked me. I need to put sanitizer on you. Give me.
Oh, okay, sorry. Oi, hola. There's one more there. Look.
That's poop.
No, the green isn't poop.
Yeah.
Thank you, cutie. Are you happy? Oh, their noses are so so cute. I love goats. We're at the blueberry. Are you allowed to eat?
Here, once if we go a little further.
It's underwhelming.
It's not the sweetest. And it's really warm too. The big ones are sweet. Mama, maybe also put some inside of the bucket. Mama, are you just eating?
Yeah.
We're just... Mama,
I know
she
something
keeps
that's
on
more
eating.
There's some fat berries.
My butt. Oh, what?
Ta-da!
Oh, look at this one.
This one's organic, right?
Huge. Hopefully, or else we'll get cancer. Right?
Mm. Look at that.
Yeah, nobody's watching. Oh, so many. And we never eat blueberries. We never buy them because they're so expensive. Is this cheaper than buying at the store?
Mm.
Is it cheaper?
Yeah, because it's $2.99.
Just take, Mama. I mean, be real. This is a vlog, not model photo shoot. This is your first time blueberry picking?
No.
No? When did you blueberry pick?
Sweden and Denmark we were picking.
Blueberries?
Yeah, wild.
No, I mean in official places.
Yeah.
First time? Mine too.
It's not your first time. You were picking some.
Wow. How much is that? Don't eat if there's spiders on it. The blueberries go all the way over here, guys. See? It starts from over there, goes all the way back here. Wait, there's a geotag right over there on the street, but we're not going to be able to go there. The blueberries go all the way over there. Oh my God.
Nice angle.
That's me. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, still licking me even though I don't have food. Are you buying green beans? Mama, don't tip them. Look at their potatoes. Colorful. 2 pounds? Lone Pine Farm. We have apple, green peas, cherries, pineapple. Look at this. We're going to eat a BQ. Banana split with pineapple, strawberry, chocolate sauce.
So hungry, I can eat you.
Mama, taste it.
I have.
I'm going to taste it. Look.
I got that.
Crispy chicken number 6.
It's not spicy.
Let me see.
Then it's okay.
Oh my God. The cheese. Posing. Is it a flamethrower?
No.
It looks like it.
Eat the ice cream.
Yummy. I'm going to put the sweet relish on it. Green. Yummy. I look like a raccoon. So we're home now, guys. We're doing some crafting time. And I still don't have school. It feels so nice. It feels so nice. I'm just enjoying every moment without school. Because once it begins. Okay.
I'm doing
Anyways.
this for Melinda. She loves wings. And we will do that.
We're going to do that. Collaboration.
Yes.
So I'm going to be making a coaster, not a coaster, but I'm going to decorate it with agates. Can you see those, guys? Agates and
That's for
jaspers and
my father-in-law.
I'm going to wear this on the plane. I'm going to look like a doll. In one of the footage, I checked it. I totally ate spider webs.
Ew!
Yeah, I posted it on
Yeah,
Instagram.
I
Mama,
felt it too.
no, I went like this. So I ate it like that. Mama, look. And it went over here, the covers. And I thought it was from the blueberry. You know, I thought it was blueberry fuzz. And I went like this. Yeah, it's on Instagram. I'll show it to you.
Oh, but that would be a good vlog. Ew!
This. Look, there's something on my lips, see? And then I licked it. I was like, mmm. This is the finished result, guys, of my coaster. And I turned it into a circle, so it's more of a softer shape instead of the square. So I'm going to put it in a box like this. And then I'm going to turn it into a box. I'm going to make a box. So Mama is doing the wings now. That's the one she's copying. And she wanted to freehand and she didn't want to trace it first, like I said. But oh well. Okay guys, so I don't know what they think about this angel wing we made, but you know, tell me what do you think that looks like. For me, it looks like a bird died in the middle of the street. Or actually, it also kind of looks like a ghost. You know, in those movies where you see a white shadow and the person like died, and
I think it looks like angel wings.
kind of looks a bit creepy, like horror.
What?
Yeah, it looks like, you
It
know,
looks angel wings.
looks like a soul. We tried putting like Mod Podge and glitter in the middle. Can you see the glitter?
It's not finished yet. It's not dry yet.
Yeah, I guess.
We'll show it when it's totally dry.
But
I
hers,
think it's artistic. It's abstract.
yeah, very.
I think it's pretty.
Oh, okay. Guys, here's the finished result of the wings. It's not that bad, and I'm going to put it in my room. We're not going to give it to Linda because Michael said it's not good enough. This is the finished result. I will put it in my room over there.
Super sweet.
So yummy. So here's the cherries we bought at the farm. This is all of the blueberries we got. Isn't that cool? Amara, do the shout out of the day. Look at that. That's so sweet. Mmm. I should have
Bought more. And it doesn't even itch. I think.
My mom is allergic to cherries. Shout out of the day goes to...
Carl, Salon, and...
No, not so fast. Carl Salon. Solon. Salon. And
Bisaya Friends Vloggers.
And they say they love the mukbang. So,
Are they Filipino?
I think the Bisaya friends vloggers are. I mean, it's Bisaya, hello. If you guys want a shout out, tell me down below and give me a shout out if you subscribe. Okay, are you going to say something?
I will make Micah eat it.
Look how tiny the seed is inside. And so much meat. Look, Mama, look, look.
Ay, it's itchy.
No! I'm
It's itchy, but...
hungry.
Oh God, it's itchy now.
Oh no.
But at least it's in.
What's there?
I will make...
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Oh God, it's itchy.
Mukbang. Mukbang. Is it itchy? No, I just cleaned. It's the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Please go down below and subscribe. Thumbs up. And comment. Thanks for watching, guys. And next, thanks for watching, guys. Look at my bird's nest. And we will see you the next time. Adios, amigos.